2016, I ended up doing north of 12 or 14 deals, made over 100,000 my first year. Then I did 160,000 my second year, quarter million my third year. Fourth year, I think I did like over like 500,000, 600,000. My fifth year, I did 800,000. My sixth or seventh year, 2021, I did 1.3 in GCI. Bought my first home, ended up paying off the solar, updating it, put like 60,000 into it. I took that home. My wife and I had a conversation. We ended up giving it to my mom, so now she owns that property. But we bought it, remodeled it, signed everything over to her, paid off the solar for it. Now she has it. We ended up buying our first investment home. Now that has positive cash flow. We're building a successful sales team. I'm launching my coaching program, which is amazing. We have 2 healthy children. My son's in private school. My daughter goes to a really top level elementary school. And my wife and I, we have the best marriage ever. Our kids are extremely happy. My mother's happy and healthy. My father's happy and healthy. I've been able to pay off all of his debts. I pay for his car. I help him live with his living expenses. He's now almost 70. So I'm able to support him and do that. We live in a beautiful high-rise condo in downtown San Diego in Little Italy. So everything shifted after that. And I just remember looking back at all of it and telling myself that, I never want to go back to that. And the things that motivate me till this day, still to this day and back then, was the fear. I remember how painful it was to be at the bottom, and I never want to experience that again. And the other